Today is Sunday, September. Today is Sunday, October 13th. Anna's gonna. It was right here, Annabelle. Go ahead. No, go. I'm sorry. Anywhere you want. Just be. Very nice, Anna. Here goes Anna. Today is Monday. Today is Sunday, October 13th. Anna's getting a little gun practice with her Glock 9mm. I think you got him in the elbow, right in the right elbow. You got him in his left groin. You got him in the wrist again, see? Nice shooting, Anna. Very nice shooting. Let's go take a look at what you got there. I'm sure we all know who this is, so one, two, three, four, five. If you can, try to put it here, if you can. Okay? Very nice, Anna. Here we are, the Otay Mountain Truck Trail. Anna's trying her luck at the pistol. Very nice, Anna. There you go. There you go. Two in the same spot. Very nice. Getting comfortable now? Here we go, round two. Anna's gonna try and knock down that target there. Yep. You're hitting his elbow again.
He's down.
He's down. Good shot, Anna. Here goes round three. Get as close as you want. I think you should get a little closer, maybe. Put that thing right in his chest. Take your time, Annabelle. You can do it. Aim for his chest. Oh, was easy with that, Anna. Very nice, Anna. Very nice. I mean, definitely, he's not gonna be writing letters for a while. You got him in the shoulder. You got him in the you got him in the humerus. You got him in the lower humerus. You got him in the wrist. I guess you're going for his trigger hand. Anna's going, and you got him in the groin a couple of times. Anna's going to knock a gun out of his hand. Good shooting, Anna. Let me try one. Let me show you how it's done. Watch out. Go ahead and put it back. Oh, wait. Here we go. Anna, round three. Maybe we need to get closer, Sweepy. Maybe we need to get closer. Closer. There you go. Take your time. Hit that thing. There you go. There you go. Now you're hitting them. There you go. Take your time. Good shot, Anna. There you go. Very nice. See the last one? I saw it. You got it there. So you're getting better. Let me try one of mine. Watch out, Anna. 44 Magnum. One hand, 44 Magnum. My goodness. He's a goner. Nice shooting. Here goes Anna, try number four. Little low still. Okay. There you go, much better. That's fine. Try the bottom one. There you go. Remember, you have 5 rounds. Here goes Anna with the water bottle. Look, there's a rhino. Aim for the water bottle only, Anna. Good shot. Take your time. Take your time. There you go. Hit it again, Anna. Hit it again. You got 3 rounds. You missed it. Watch out. Let me show you how the big boys do it. 44 mag. Stand clear, Anna. 44 mag. There you go. Good shot. There you go. There you go.